Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Jump 2. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by carefully unpacking your new Jump 2 device and identifying all the included components. Next, connect the charging cable to a power source and ensure the device is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Then, download the dedicated companion application onto your smartphone or tablet. Finally, pair your Jump 2 with the application using Bluetooth, following the simple on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Now, let's explore the core functions of your Jump 2. You can easily navigate the user interface using either the responsive touchscreen or the convenient physical buttons located on the side. Access the main menu to select from various modes and customize your settings to suit your preferences. Pay attention to the LED indicator lights, as they provide crucial information about your device's current status. Remember to perform a quick calibration regularly to ensure the most accurate and reliable readings from your Jump 2. Ready to dive deeper? Your Jump 2 offers extensive customization options. You can personalize display settings, adjusting brightness levels and choosing which data metrics are most prominent for you. Set up personalized alerts and notifications to keep you informed about specific events or thresholds. For a more integrated experience, connect your Jump 2 with other compatible smart devices or platforms. Don't forget to explore the advanced data analysis features available within the companion application to gain deeper insights from your usage. To ensure your Jump 2 continues to perform optimally, proper maintenance is key. Regularly clean your device with a soft, slightly damp cloth to remove any dust or debris. When not in use, store your Jump 2 in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. If you encounter any minor issues, consult the comprehensive user manual for common troubleshooting steps. For persistent technical problems, don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated customer support team for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.